Welcome back, and now news from sports. ACOLOP General Secretary Mario Rosa de Almeida expressed surprise over the absolute lack of infrastructure developments at a press conference on Friday. ACOLOP have also accepted blame for this and will henceforth be strict and follow up the matter extremely seriously. ACOLOP have taken stock of the situation in Goa and will hold a very crucial general body meet on Sunday. ACOLOP want a timetable of the works from the Parrikar-led Goa government, to which the CM has obliged. A special technical cell will visit Goa every 3 to 4 months to keep a check on the progress of the work.
There is absolutely no explanation from the Goa Olympic Association, Sports Authority of Goa and other related stakeholders as to why there has been no development in the last 1 year since ACOLOP visited Goa.
We are absolutely surprised that we came last year, and after 1 year we are here, and we are very surprised that nothing has started and nothing has been completed. We understand the reasons for the delay, but tomorrow it's going to be a very important debate over all this matter. We have 15 months, and we hope that the Goa Olympic Association will do the needful. All the topics regarding the ACOLOP games will be discussed and debated at tomorrow's general body meeting of ACOLOP at Ramada tomorrow. And the decisions taken at this meeting, I am sure, will be of great interest to you. And we are going to take very, very important decisions there. The Chief Minister has promised that by 15th of April, there will be a timetable given so that the works could start. And the ACOLOP committee will be meeting in July this year to take an assessment and evaluate what work has been initiated and what has been done.
That the games will be postponed. Is there a possibility the ACOLOP is considering?
No. There's no possibility.
Do you believe that apart from the SAG and the GOA, the ACOLOP should also accept some responsibilities because they have not dealt with the organizers very seriously? There has not been serious stakes, and there has not been any follow-up between the last visit and this visit.
We are going to be very strict, and it has to be respected because we are responsible towards the athletes, towards our Olympic committees, and in the past, if we have not been, now we will be all the more.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Panji.
The ACOLOP Core Committee has been given a thorough assurance that the facilities required for the 3rd Lusophonia Games in Goa will be ready by December 2012. Parrikar has also assured significant amount of infrastructure development will be seen in the coming 3 to 4 months, while all facilities will be up and ready to Olympic standards in the coming 15 months. The games are slated for November 2013. However, Parrikar has suggested shifting few game venues to the vast lands at GEC Pharmagudi, where infrastructure could be erected.
If no developments yet, CM Parrikar is sure of the task on hand.
You come in December, I'll give you the facility. Come in December, I'll give you the facility. Why you are worried so much? I'll do it.
Following are the excerpts of the high-profile meet between ACOLOP delegation and CM Parrikar.
We know the entire help that has been given by the government for the realization of these games in Goa. Besides the help that is needed from the Goa Olympic Association, we need also greater help from the government of Goa. We have given all the ideas, but then we need to discuss the technical details, and then once these details are finalized, then only we'll know whether we are going ahead and whether it will be a successful event.
I have been briefed that there are some lacunas, not much has moved during last 1 year. I don't know about what happened last year, but I can promise you one thing. If you come after 3 or 4 months, you will realize that the infrastructure is moving into the place, and in less than 15 months everything will be absolutely as per the international Olympic standard. We are in process of setting up of many of these facilities in a very good place called as Farmagudi or at Panji. It's engineering college, and they have got about 2 lakh square meter of extra land, and we have provided funds and we are going ahead with facilities in that area. If some of the venues can be shifted to that place, we have enough time according to me. I can definitely assure you much before this schedule, maybe about 4 months prior to this. Next April, May, we can finish the facility.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
Second round of GPL 3 days began on Friday. BITS Pilani GCA Academy stars were dismissed for just 170 in their first innings, while Salgaonkar were 86 for no loss at stumps. Over at the academy grounds in Porvorim, Goa Sports Academy were dismissed for 282 in their first innings by Sarvodaya Royals.
Sarvodaya Royals won the toss and elected to field. The bowlers did a good job, led by skipper Darshan Misal in keeping a check on the wickets. Ryan D'Souza and Elias Naru stitched together an 86-run partnership for the 4th wicket. Eventually, Sarvodaya dismissed NRB Goa Sports Academy for 282. Ryan D'Souza top scoring with 67, while southpaw Elias Naru notching up a half-century. For Sarvodaya, Darshan Misal and Ram Dayal claimed 3 wickets each. In reply, Sarvodaya were 21 for no loss at stumps at the academy grounds in Porvorim. Over at BITS Pilani in Vasco, GCA Academy stars were dismissed for 170 in their first innings. Amok Desai top scoring for the academy side with 43 runs, while Sahil Duri and Badal Singh bagged 3 wickets each. In reply, Salgaonkar were 86 for no loss at stumps in 22 overs. Vaibhav Naik blazing away to 57 not out in the bargain. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in. If you have missed our bulletin, you can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.